welcome to the tutorials of Root Dev about Adobe Photoshop. The version I'll be telling you about is Adobe Photoshop CC 2015. First of all, I'd like to tell you about Root Dev. Root Dev is a group of developers. Basically, they develop apps and games for iOS, Android, and Windows Phone. Most of the work includes the designing. For example, for apps you need buttons and backgrounds and a lot of things that you need to design specifically for an app that you cannot find on internet. So for those things you need to learn Adobe Photoshop. So we have been using Adobe Photoshop for all kinds of designing for the past few years. So I thought of making introductory videos, a series of videos that any beginner can watch and learn how to implement those things that, and how to design your custom graphics for your apps. So this is the first video of the series. First of all, I would like to tell you from where to download Adobe Photoshop. The link will be given in the description. This is the official site of Adobe Photoshop CC. Here you can get a trial. I guess it is a 30 days trial. After 30 days you need to buy it. It will provide you with all the details and its costing. So you can proceed to that. The link will be given in the description. I'll be working on MacBook 13-inch. For professional works, you may need a bigger machine with bigger size, because it will open the image, it will view the image larger than a 13-inch laptop. So the most recommended machine is the iMac 21-inch. That is the idle machine for Adobe Photoshop. So let's start with opening Adobe Photoshop. So guys, here it is, Adobe Photoshop. This is your complete workspace. It includes everything from your toolbox to your color palette to your layers and everything. First of all, I would like to tell you about these tools and palettes and everything that you see in this first screen. So at the leftmost this bar, this can be viewed in two modes. First is this single line, other one is this. It shows two lines and it wraps a bit. I use this one. Okay, this is your toolbar. It has all the tools that you need while you're editing an image or while you're creating or designing anything. For example, here is the move tool. You can also see the V in the brackets. That's the shortcut key. You must keep in mind, Photoshop designing is all about knowing the shortcut keys for everything, because it makes your work so fast. It makes your work so easy that you are going to love it. The shortcut keys. For beginning, you don't need to learn the shortcut keys. It will be a bit pro level when you would need those things. So let me tell you about these tools. First is the move tool. It will mostly it will be used to move part a layer of the object or something that will that I'll demonstrate it later. But for now, you need to know that it is used to move things from one place to another. After that, we have marquee tool. I don't know how it's pronounced. Marquee, I guess. Okay. After that, it is lasso tool. It is also used for selection, just like marquee tool. Magic wand. It can be selected with the W. This is used. It is actually when if you want to select a single color from an image that is altogether joined from somewhere, then you can just Give it a tolerance level, and it will select the entire color from the image. Okay, we'll demonstrate it later. After that, you have the crop tool. After that, you have eyedrop tool. Then this, then the spot healing brush tool. Then the brush, clone stamp, history brush, magic eraser and eraser, gradient tool, blot tool, dodge tool, pen tool, text tool, path selection tool, rounded rectangle, hand tool, and zoom tool. Down here you have two colors. One is foreground color, the other one is background color. So most of the tools, you may be knowing most of them, but some of them are new to you. For example, this magic eraser, this gradient, this tool, stamp tool. Most of the things are new to the beginners in Photoshop. So first of all, I would like to open a test image. I've downloaded a free image from the internet just for the demonstration. Okay, let me open it.